Hey everybody, Drew here, and you are in this 2010 Prius with me. I just want to go over a relatively common issue with these cars, and that's where the AC button physically doesn't do anything. I got this car in, and I didn't have AC. I'd hit auto. This would do nothing at all, and that's actually a setting, by the way, in TechStream, whether or not auto automatically turns on AC, but this wasn't that. This button physically didn't work, and I was really concerned. But then I realized, well, let me try the defroster, which automatically turns on the air conditioning and turn the temperature down, and I got ice cold air up at the windshield, and I could hear the AC pump work. But when I came to auto, or when I put the mode to my face, this button failed in the off position, I guess, right, or in the state of off. So this is a somewhat common issue, common enough that I wanted to tell you guys about it. It's always good to plug into a good scan tool like TechStream, or I have a Foxwell, and to see if you in fact have codes in the system. But in my particular case, I was very easily able to see that I had working air conditioning, and I narrowed it down to this physical button. So I ordered a new one of these guys. This is the new one. It's got some scratches on it, which sucks, but I think I can basically use some polishing compound to get them off. And this is a really easy job. So all you're gonna do is you start right here around the cup holder, and this is just installed with snaps, those plastic snaps there. And then this one is a little bit more tricky because it's skinny and you don't want to break it, but it's just, I'm actually gonna put it back together in front of you there. So I started here, you just kind of do that, and I worked my way up and around, making sure not to break any of the thin areas, and then continuing with reassembly, which should tell you quite a bit about disassembly. This just, let me see here. Yeah, so that's all you do, the opposite of that. You start right here underneath the cup holder, and that all just snaps out. There is one connection in the back, that's it. It looks like an RJ45, but it is obviously not. And that's the problem solved. So we'll just turn on the car here, and there you go. Verified repairs. So I'm Drew. I hope this video was helpful. There's a lot of content on this channel about Prius, most of it second gen. There's one of my parts cars over there. Gonna put that little booger back together someday and actually drive it for myself, but it's a parts car for now. A lot of Prius content on this channel, heavy on the second gen, easing into third, and looking forward to fourth. So if that's something you're into, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. And again, if this video helped you at all, please give it a thumbs up. God bless. Take care. Bye.